how to not get scammed when you're trying to buy a shipping container. Number 1, ask to see the shipping container in person because photos could be ripped off of someone else's website. Number 2, check the website name and the domain. Does the website name match the company that you are supposed to be buying from, or is it off by a letter or two? And check the domain. Is it .com or .net, or is it something sketchy like .biz or .shop? Number 3, does the person you're speaking to know their stuff about shipping containers, or are they just pressuring you to buy as quickly as possible without giving you all the information you need to make an informed decision? If they don't know their stuff about containers, that's a scam. And finally, number 4, never pay through crypto or prepaid cards or gift cards. That is an immediate red flag. Run like the wind. Lucky for you, there's one really easy way to avoid all sorts of scams when you're trying to buy shipping containers. Just come to us at Southwest Mobile Storage. We're experts at this business. We'll make sure you have all the information you need to make an informed decision, and we'll get you the best quote. So what are you waiting for?